In this session, we are going to create a nice website from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Again, this is going to be a good opportunity for us to review and practice all the skills we have learned in those 3 chapters. Our website this time is going to be a game. So this game is going to check how well our users know their multiplication table up to 10. So let's go through the game and see how it works. So once we click on the Start button, we will see a 60-second countdown starting, okay, and we will get our first question. So the question is going to be a multiplication operation consisting of 2 numbers between 1 and 10, okay? So we're going to have multiple choices here. So we need to pick up the right answer. If we get the right answer, then we're going to get a green message, correct, and our score goes up by 1. And also, we're going to get a new question. If we pick up the wrong answer, then we get a red message. And if we keep getting wrong answers, we keep getting the same message, try again. And once we get the correct answer, then the score goes up by 1 again, and we get a new question. We can reset the game anytime by clicking on the Reset button. And the time is going to continue until 0 seconds. And once it's 0 seconds, then we're going to get a nice game over message saying your score is whatever the score is. So first of all, we're going to start by building the skeleton of the website by creating all the HTML components behind it. And then we're going to add some CSS styling and decoration using some nice CSS properties like box shadows and gradients. And finally, we're going to write the JavaScript code and create our game.